Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by normalizing so comparisons match. Select the text column and paste a working copy. Once done, add a helper column with equals trim, lower A2, and fill down to remove extra spaces and unify case. Make sure to copy that helper column and paste special as values so further formulas reference fixed text. This prevents false misses caused by trailing spaces or mixed case, and it speeds up scanning when you run conditional rules or COUNTIF checks next. Now detect duplicates using counting. In a column next to your normalized text, enter equals COUNTIF, $B, B2, and copy down, values greater than 1 signal duplicates. Once done, apply conditional formatting with the formula equals COUNTIF, $B, $B1, 1 to highlight every repeated cell visually. If you have Excel 365, you can also use unique to extract uniques and filter, with COUNTIF 1 to return only duplicates, which helps when you want a concise list. Finish by filtering the COUNTIF results for values greater than 1 so you can review every duplicate group. Make a purposeful choice. Delete extras, keep the first instance using remove duplicates, or manually merge details. Remember, remove duplicates acts on entire rows, so confirm selected columns. If duplicates still slip through, make sure to check for non-printing characters or hidden differences with equals len and equals clean, because invisible characters often cause false negatives. Clean and renormalize before rechecking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.